Are you ready to level up your Forex trading game? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, having the right trading platform can make all the difference in your success. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 5 Forex trading platforms you should be using right now. Stick around till the end, because number 5 might just surprise you. First up, we've got the legendary MetaTrader 4. It's been around for over 15 years and is still one of the most trusted platforms for Forex traders worldwide. MT4 offers robust charting tools, custom indicators, and expert advisors. Plus, it's user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. If you love automated trading, this one's for you. Next, we have the upgraded version of MT4, MetaTrader 5. It offers everything MT4 has, plus more advanced features like more time frames, more order types, and integrated market depth analysis. It's perfect for those looking to trade not only Forex, but also stocks, commodities, and indices all in one platform. Coming in at number 3 is cTrader. Known for its sleek design and user-friendly interface, cTrader is perfect for traders who want a clean and powerful platform. It offers direct market access, advanced charting tools, and lightning-fast execution speeds. For traders who value precision and transparency, cTrader is the go-to choice. For the more technical traders out there, NinjaTrader is the powerhouse you've been waiting for. With its advanced charting features, custom analytics, and backtesting capabilities, it's perfect for those who want to dive deep into market analysis and test their strategies to perfection. It's also a great choice for futures traders. And finally, we have the TradingView platform. TradingView stands out for its web-based interface, social trading features, and incredible charting tools. You can even share your trading ideas with a global community of traders. Whether you're analyzing Forex pairs or just learning the ropes, TradingView is an invaluable tool for every trader. So there you have it, our top 5 Forex trading platforms you should be using in 2024. Whether you're into automated trading, technical analysis, or just need a platform that's easy to use, one of these is bound to fit your trading style. Which platform is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews on everything Forex trading. Hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.